Just pulled these beautiful collard greens fresh from my organic garden. There's nothing like fresh vegetables. Collard greens love the cool season. I planted these in the early spring, and then I'll get another batch out late summer. And from seed to harvest, it took about 60 to 75 days. Come on, let's go inside and wash them up in some vinegar water. To get all that grit off. Clean greens are happy greens. Grown with love and now ready for the pot. I like to slice my collard greens up nice and thin, then saute in olive oil and a little bit of butter until they're softened up. I add 2 cups of chicken broth. I like to use this Goya broth. Just add 2 cups of water to that. I let them simmer until they're tender, just like spinach. Oh my gosh, these collard greens smell so good. I can't wait. I can't wait. I need to grab my other wooden spoon, but oh my gosh, this is so tempting. Let's put them back in. These greens in a classic southern pot, slow cook with love and a little smoke and a whole lot of flavor. It actually cooks a little quicker. It smells so good. And then I added some red peppers. Later, I can add just a dash of Tabasco sauce. It's almost done. This is what garden to table looks like. Southern comfort, fresh from the soil. Like and subscribe for more homegrown recipes straight from Blissful Spaces Garden. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I'll see you in my next video. Grow your own food. Grow your dinner. Southern greens from Blissful Spaces. Organic garden eats. Stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I'll see you. Blessings.